Hello, today we will guide you through how to give access to a Facebook page. To begin, open Facebook in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the account that already manages the page. This is important because you'll only be able to adjust page access if you already have the right permissions. Once Facebook loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This opens the account menu where you can switch into the page you want to manage. From that menu, select the page you want to work with. In this example, it's a sample page, but you'll simply choose your own Facebook page from the list. After switching into the page, go back to the top right corner and click on the profile icon again. This second click is important because Facebook changes the menu options depending on whether you're acting as your personal profile or as the page itself. When the menu appears, click Settings and Privacy. This section contains the controls for your account and page management options. Next, click Settings to open the full settings area. Inside Settings, look for Page Setup. Click that to continue. This section helps you configure the structure and management options for your page. From there, find and click Page Access. This is the area where Facebook lets you manage who has access to your page and what level of control they have. Once you're on the Page Access screen, you can manage access for your page by following the on-screen procedure. Facebook may guide you through selecting a person, assigning the appropriate access level, and confirming the change. Read each prompt carefully so you can choose the correct permissions for that person. If you're giving someone access, make sure you understand the level of control they'll receive before confirming. As a helpful tip, take a moment to review the access options closely. Some permissions may allow a person to help manage content, while others may give broader administrative control. It's always a good idea to give only the access that's necessary for their role. And that's it. Once you've completed the on-screen prompts in the Page Access section, your Facebook page access settings will be updated. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped you successfully give access to your Facebook page.